I don't understand it. But, fuck it. Let's fucking get a fucking W. And then we're going to play some foot draft. Let me just, hold on. I'm stalling like a motherfucker, but I swear to God I'm not meaning to. I need to fucking check on when I'm supposed to be ready for dinner, because I feel like I'm supposed to be ready by 5 o'clock, and that's in 20 minutes. And if that's the case, I gotta open this shit and get ready, or I gotta open, and if it's not the case, I gotta open this shit and then play some foot draft. I'll be, dude, like 10 seconds. Alright! I can play more! Don't have to go be ready till 7. Let's go! I want to get that Conte, guys. I feel like it'd be a waste of fodder. And then I can't have Era Ramos in my team. Yeah, it's not happening. Because I got rid of Ben Yedder. Let's go, boys! W! 1, 2, 3, W! It's, is that a team of the season? Lucas Vaxmas? I haven't got him in a minute. Vlad, I am not touching. But that's a low. Wait, guys. This could be a very, very, very good thing, boys. Remember, Summer Stars are behind this. This could be a very, very good thing. Because this means there's not that many 91s. Could be very, very good. Last time we got an 89, we had a crazy pack behind it. Come on. It's 91 pluses, baby. Hook it up. Ah! Wait. What did I just do? I didn't quick sell that, did I? God fucking fuck! I didn't mean to do that. What the fuck? I didn't quick sell them, did I? Ah! Yo, hold on. Can we do? Let's see. What did we get? Yo, we got Bamba too. Boys, what have we done? We got 2 99s in this squad. Y'all just watched me get that Firmino. Mother, let's fucking go. We got 2 99s in this squad. But I don't think that's enough. No. It ain't enough. We need one more. Who is it? The dramatic pause because I didn't know where I was going in the game. But we're there. Let's fucking go. Oh, wait. I think I see him. Oh. It's that little 99 Conte. Oh. Oh, and then... Wait. Oh, shit. Don't worry. He's almost done. Pretty sure everyone I took out I could bring back. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure I could bring them all back. I just submitted them because I had duplicates of all of them. Pretty sure. I think it was him. I think it was him. I think it was him. Hopefully. Did I mess this all up? EA, did I mess this all up? Did I mess this all up? Oh, it wasn't him. Sugar. Ah. We need a Spanish guy. What is this? No. Did I mess this up? I didn't mean to, EA. He should do it. Can he? Please, please, please. Please. Yes! We've done it! We have done it! 99 Contes in the squad. 4 days ago, I'd never had a 99 in my team. Ever. Now we have 3 boys. Now we have 3. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Boy, is that... Dude, this ain't even fair, dude. And I played against him once in Weekend League. Yo. Am I a rat officially? Am I officially a rat now? You didn't see that. You didn't see what I was doing. There's another SPC that we're gonna have done today too. You didn't see that, guys. You didn't see that. Pretend that you didn't see. Look at this shit, dude. Look who I'm like. All right, Klaus can officially go. Bye bye. We don't need you anymore. But look at this, dudes. Oh, and I know I don't have a CDM to CM. Oh wait, maybe I do. Do I? No, but it's okay because we're gonna do this. We don't need a French. We don't need this. Emery, I'm sorry, bro, but I'm gonna treat you like Arsenal and let you go. And where's our French? Where's our Frenchie? We have a Frenchie. We have the man, the myth, the legend, Zidane. Yes. And what do you even put on this card? I'm gonna worry about that later. But boys, look at this squad.